kindergarten, and happy Friday. Okay, let's do some sight word practice before we get our 2 new sight words on Monday. Okay, let's try to write all of our sight words. So if you have a marker and a board at home, try to get it on this side of the board, the side that has the smaller lines, and that way I think we'll be able to fit all of our sight words on there. And if you have a pencil and paper, then that's okay. Just use any kind of pencil and paper that you have. Okay, our first sight word is a really easy one because it's just one letter. It's the letter A. Just the letter A. So that word has only one letter in it, like I am a kindergarten teacher. Okay, our second sight word has 2 letters in it. So if I'm writing a new word, I'm going to do a space so I can start over with a new word. This sight word is A-S. A-S. Let's sound it out and see what sight word this is if you don't remember. As. As. Like I am as happy as can be. As. Okay, we're going to do a space because I'm starting a new word. The next sight word I want to write is the word is. Like today is Friday. Is. How do I write this sight word is? Let's sound it out and figure it out. I, I. What letter makes an I sound? That's the letter I. So we're going to do a lowercase I. Okay. Is. That's an S. So a lowercase s. So far we've written our first 3 sight words. A, as, is. Okay, I'm going to start over here on this row with our next sight word so you can see. Let's see, our next sight word, we're going to try to spell the word and. And. Like we're going to go on a hike and go to the park. And. What does that word start with? It has 3 letters. That's an A. An. The middle letter is a n sound. What letter makes a n sound? That's an N. So far we have an. Now we need the 3rd letter. What's the ending sound? What's the last sound you hear in the word? And. And. Duh. What letter makes the duh sound? That's a D. So and is spelled A-N-D. And. All right, last one. We're going to do a space because we're starting a new word. Let's spell the word the. The. You can either remember it 2 ways. You can remember the little rhyme. T-H-E spells the. Like we are going to go to the school later. The. Or you can remember it this way. T-H makes a the sound. So let's do a T and then an H. T-H makes a the sound when it's together. And then let's sound out the next sound you hear. The E. The E. What letter do you need? You just need the letter E. There's our E. So T-H-E spells the. All right, so here's all 5 of our sight words that we have so far. A, as, is, and the. And you can always play our popcorn sight word game with your family. You can get your popcorn sight words out. I'll show you how to do it one more time. All right, so you can get your little bag of sight words. And you can put them on a table or on the floor, wherever you are, and you can pop them up. And then you pick one out. Let's see. And then you read it. Which sight word is this? This is our easy one. It's just the letter A. And then you crumple it back up, put it back in the pile, pop your pile, pick another one. Let's see. A-S. Let's sound it out. As. As. This is our sight word as. So crumple it back up, put it back in your pile, And pop your pile and pick another one. Ooh, A-N-D. And then sound it out. And. Crumple it back up, put it in your pile, and pop your pile. Let's see. Ooh, now I got I-S. Let's sound it out. Is. And then you keep on playing and popping. We'll get 2 new sight words next week, and then we'll add 2 new sight words to our bag of popcorn sight words. So we'll put these back in our bag and make sure that we have them for next week. Okay, so you can always play that later with your family. All right, everybody, let's read a quick book for fun, because y'all did some really good work this week. This one's called Merry Christmas, Big Hungry Bear. There's an exclamation point because he is screaming, Merry Christmas, Big Hungry Bear. Let's try to find our sight words when we're reading this book. Let's try to find any of our sight words. A, as, is, and the. Okay, let's see. Hello, little mouse. I see you're ready for Christmas. My goodness, what a lot of presents. Are they all for you? So look, there's a question mark at the end because they're asking a question. Are they all for you? Are all those presents for you? So they're asking a question. So there's a question mark at the end. But little mouse, what about the big hungry bear in the cold, dark cave at the top of the hill? Did we find a sight word? Oh my gosh, look. But little mouse, what about the? There's T-H-E, one of our sight words, the. And then they say it again and again. Big hungry bear in the cold, dark cave at the top of the hill. We found the word the 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That is an important word to know. Oh, how that bear loves Christmas presents. Red ones, green ones, little ones, big ones. Oh, the mouse doesn't want the bear to have all the Christmas presents, so he's locking them up, guarding them. That bear would do anything to get some presents. But he never does, not even from Santa Claus. Boo-hoo! Every Christmas he sits alone in his cold, dark cave. And plop, 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 tears fall from his big, hungry eyes. Oh, now the mouse looks sad that the bear doesn't have any presents. And look, did you see one of our sight words there? A-N-D. And. And one of our sight words. Little mouse, what are you doing? Oh, I see. What a brave little mouse you are. I see one of our easy sight words. It's just the letter A. What A? Brave little mouse you are. The sight word A. No one else in the, T-H-E spells the, whole wide world would go to the cold, dark cave of the big hungry bear, especially on Christmas Eve. Shh, little mouse, someone big is fast asleep. Did you hear one of our sight words? I'll read it again. Someone big is fast asleep. Look, the sight word is, I-S, is. There we go. Quick, little mouse, someone big is waking up. Hide, little mouse, someone big is peeking. Is, I-S. Come out, little mouse, come out. I see something big for you. Merry Christmas! From the Big Hungry Bear. Look, T-H-E spells thee. From the Big Hungry Bear. The end. So one of our sight words, the end. Oh, that was a good book. I had fun reading the book and then trying to find sight words in it. So I think we found a, we found is, we found and we found the. We didn't find the word as though, as. Maybe it was in here and we just didn't see it. I'm not sure. Okay, well that was a very good review lesson for you all. You did some nice writing. You found some sight words in a book. Maybe later this weekend you come play popcorn sight words with your family. All right, everyone, have a good weekend. Bye. See you Monday.